Is Gmail telling you that your storage is full? When your Google account runs out of storage, you may stop receiving emails, uploading files to Google Drive, or backing up photos. The good news is that freeing up space is easier than you might think. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Gmail storage full issues in 2026. First, check how much storage you're using. Open your Google account storage page to see how your available space is divided between Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This helps you identify what's taking up the most storage. Next, open Gmail and search for large emails using filters like larger, 10M, to find messages bigger than 10 megabytes. Delete emails with large attachments that you no longer need, then empty the trash and spam folders to permanently free up space. Now review your Google Drive files. Delete old documents, videos, or backups you no longer need. Don't forget to empty the drive trash afterward, since deleted files still count toward your storage until they're permanently removed. If you use Google Photos, delete blurry pictures, duplicate images, or large videos you no longer need. Yeah, media files often use the largest portion of your Google storage. After deleting files, empty the trash folders in Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. It may take a little time for your available storage to update, so don't worry if the changes aren't immediate. If you've cleaned up your account and still need more space, you can upgrade your Google storage plan through Google One. I mean, this gives you additional storage for Gmail, Drive, and Photos without deleting more files. And that's how to fix Gmail storage full issues in 2026. By cleaning up emails, Drive files, and photos, or upgrading your storage if necessary, you can keep your Gmail account running smoothly and continue receiving new messages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.